Hi guys, it's Maya Honeywell from the Hive at Coldwell Banker. I hope you're having a beautiful day. Hey, it's time to report back in on weekly stats, and this is for the 8-county metro area as presented by the Board of Realtors. And this is statistics through October 31st, so the Halloween holiday. Side note, how cute were all of the cute little gutters and PVC pipes and the ways that people were careful and still getting candy out to the little trick-or-treaters. Very fun stuff. It shows that we're united as a community and still trying to have some fun. What isn't fun lately, though, is new listing data. And as you can imagine, if we were looking at October 31st, just prior to the election, I think a lot of people were in a holding pattern. But we have seen here for the last 4 or 5 weeks a decline in new listings. Some of that is quite seasonal, as you can see last year's data. And then some of it I do believe is probably based on a bit of the uncertainty here going into that election. Pending sales have also dropped over the last couple of weeks, and that does make sense when there's not a lot of things to choose from, and a decline in amount of inventory out there. There's less buyers that can get across the finish line for their purchase of their new home. And that being said, there are several buyers out there still looking. I know there's a lot of people that want to sell their home or make a change but are a little uncertain about where things sit right now. So please stay tuned and give us a call if you have any questions. The market is dynamic and ever changing, but there are tons of people looking for great houses, and I'd love to help you with that. Inventory of homes for sale. This has been an ongoing battle for us all year long, and this last week is no different. We had a little drop in inventory, and that quite likely is coinciding with the lack of new listings that are on market. And then days on market until sale, we're looking for the last couple of years. Only takes about 37 days for a property to get on the market and be properly closed with new homeowners inside. So that's lower than it has been for the last couple of years, with 2008 being 42 days on the market, 2019 being 44 days on the market, and then this year only 37 days on the market. And when we talk about a home being an investment in your future, and we talk a little bit about paying down that debt load of a home, but also looking at where the home appreciates. And the appreciation is one way that you're really going to make some money and build some equity in your home. So the median sales price of a home in 2018 was $262,000. Last year it was $279,900, so just shy of $280,000. And here in 2020, the median price of the home for the 8-county metro area is $310,000. So we are seeing that median sales price is going up, and median meaning that half of the properties that have been sold are under that price point and half above. So 310 is the magic number for 2020, and I would assume that next year we'll see continuing increases in that median home sale price. And we have talked a little bit about a lack of inventory, and then looking at that percent of original list price received, that's over 100%. So most people, if you're pricing your home to sell, you're going to get that money back out of it. And that shouldn't be a surprise to many of us that learn about the multiple offers and a lot of the situations that are happening out there. You typically do have to bid high in order to get a property that you're interested in. Here at the Hive, we have a lot of strategies on helping people navigate that multiple offer process. So certainly give a call if I can help. Thank you so much. All right, well, it shouldn't be a big surprise to any of us that if we have little inventory and that we've got people that are out there still looking to purchase homes, that the month's supply of inventory is going to be low. So if we look over the last couple of years, we are sitting about 2.7 months of inventory on the market. And here in 2020, we've seen a significant drop on that. So we only have about 1.8 months of inventory, meaning if no one lists their house starting now, we are going to run out of houses to purchase here in the Twin Cities in the next 1.8 months. So list your house, give me a call. Let me see what we can talk to you about as far as what's been happening in your neighborhood, and looking at relevant sales and where we would be a good spot to price properties right now, knowing that there are a lot of buyers out there still looking to move. Thanks everyone. These were the market stats for the week ending October 31st, which was Halloween. And hopefully we'll get a little bit normalcy here now that we've gone through the election and some of the other things that have been slowing the market down a bit. Thanks.